Okay, we're going to take just a few minutes to walk through Canvas to see how our course is organized. Maybe make it a little bit easier for you to find your way around, find the resources you need. So I imagine you've already gone past the Start Here button and you've come to the overview. One thing you can do for most places in Canvas is use the Next button to get to the next page in sequence. The course is laid out in a sequence of pages. This is our walkthrough. This is obviously the page you've come to so far. And so on. You can go on down next, and obviously previous will take you back to the previous page. Besides using the next button to navigate, you can go over and look at modules. That's your main navigation place. Click on modules here, and you'll see all the modules that are available to you. Right now you're in the week 1 orientation module. You'll notice that there is a button here that says you need to complete all the items, and every page that you have completed will get a little check mark. Every page that's not completed will have a little circle next to it, so you can find out your progress through the course. Some pages ask you just to view them. Some pages have things like a discussion that asks you to contribute, and in some places you have an assignment that you'll actually have to submit, or a quiz you'll have to submit. So depending on the page, you'll have different requirements for what Canvas is asking you to do. So this is the week 0, the orientation module. If you like, you can collapse any of the available modules by clicking on the little triangle. I'll click that, and then you can see here is the week 1. That's the next module. Also, we need to complete that this week. And here you see homework, practice quiz, etc., the things that we'll be working on this week. Also in the course here in Canvas are some other modules that are not time related, but things that you might need throughout the course. Syllabus and schedule, information about the textbooks, and so on. Further down, similar chapter notes, key terms, glossary for each chapter, and different Photoshop help documents. So scroll on down through the modules to find more information, more things that will be useful for the course. That is about it. I will post more help videos where I think they might be necessary. Otherwise, please post questions in the Q&A or private questions in the Canvas inbox. Thanks.